So I am back with the aim of explaining how to install WordPress. After understanding the significance of WordPress from various perspectives, now let us see how to install it on your domain name. In fact, this will be the first step to design your website practically. Let us start and follow me. To install the WordPress, we have to open the cPanel interface, also called control panel. To open the cPanel interface, type your domain /cpanel in the browser. Now it is asking for my login details. Where are my login details? For this purpose, please refer to the mail received from the HostGator, that is your hosting service provider. Open the mail with subject line completed addition of single domain Linux hosting. Little bit down in the mail, look for managing your website, and here you will see your username and password of cPanel. This password is very complex. Don't worry, you may change it later on once log into the cPanel. Otherwise, save it in the Word file for the future reference. I have entered my details and login to the cPanel. This is cPanel or control panel interface. There are so many things in the cPanel, but at this time we need this one, that is Soft Plus App Installer. Soft Plus App Installer is used to install various apps on your domain name, but we have to install the WordPress only. Click here. Here is WordPress. Install it. Here you have to make some changes. First, in the software setup, it says choose the version you want to install. Select the latest version of WordPress. I am selecting 5.2 as on date. This is the latest one. Choose the protocol. Select https://www. Later on we will convert it to the HTTPS. Now choose the domain. Your domain will automatically appear here if name servers are updated. Select your domain. Next is in directory. Delete it. Don't write anything in it. The reason I am deleting it, there is a catch. If I install the WordPress on WP directory, then every time I have to type my domain name /WP to open the website. That will be irritating to your visitors, and so better to delete it. Now the site settings. Site name. If you have already decided the name of your site, then write it here, or let it be as it is. We can change it later on. I am keeping it as it is. Site description can also be changed later on. Let it be as it is. Enable multi-site, leave it unchecked. Now few settings with respect to admin account. In future, whenever you have to log into your site or to modify it, you will use these login credentials. That way, these are very important. Admin user. You want to have a new username? Change it, or let it be admin. The password. Keep the strong password. Please make sure you remember this password, as we are going to use this password again and again. Now the admin email. Give your mail ID here, or let it be default ID. Now the language. Let it be English. Don't select anything else here. Enter your preferred mail ID. The confirmation of WordPress installation will be sent on this mail ID. Once everything is okay, click Install. It will take few minutes to install the WordPress on your domain name. And after successful installation, you see the confirmation message. Congratulations, WordPress has been installed successfully. There is also a link to visit and add it to your website. I will advise you, don't click on this link to visit the site right now. Log out from cPanel. You can also check WordPress installation confirmation mail in your inbox. Happy to see that you have installed the WordPress successfully. In fact, it was very easy and simple process. In the next video, we will learn more about various features of WordPress.